In this video, I'll show you how to connect your domain name in Turn2Web. Let's get started. First, publish your portfolio or website by clicking the Publish button, and then Confirm. Next, click Preview to view your template. If everything looks good, click Authenticate and enter the OTP sent to your email. Once verified, click Approve to publish your template. Click Confirm, and you're done. After publishing the template, click on the website permanent link. This link, provided by Turn2Web, is your website's unique URL. To connect this URL to your own domain name, follow these steps. First, click on the Connect Domain Name section. Enter your domain name in the provided field. Once you've added the domain name, click Update Domain. Before proceeding, it's essential to verify domain ownership. To do this, add the records provided below on your domain provider's website. In the case of a subdomain, you'll need to copy and add all three values provided below to your domain provider's website. Start by copying the TXT record value. Click Manage, then navigate to the DNS name servers section. Select TXT for the type, leave the name as it is, paste the TXT value, and click Add Record. Now copy the A record value. Select A for the type, leave the name as it is, paste the value, and hit Add Record. After adding the values, click the Start Verification button to begin the process. Ownership verification may take anywhere from 30 minutes to 6 hours, depending on your domain provider's configurations. To track your deployment process, click here. Once ownership is verified, we'll check if the A record is configured correctly. After that, we'll proceed with deploying your website in multiple stages, such as creating the folder structure and other necessary steps. Once everything is set up, we'll verify the ping, and after a successful ping, we'll install SSL to enable secure access to your website. You'll receive an email once the deployment is complete. The entire process will take around 6 to 12 hours. We have successfully deployed the website, and all the steps are complete. Now, click the link button to view your website. You can also share your website using the Share button, and download QR codes from here by clicking the Download button. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.